to have a lot of promise of activity in it, build up for infrastructure opportunities and connected to that employment. So maybe it's good to that extent. How it will translate is what we need to see, because the budget is normally something that the center sets up. The trickle effect of it, how long is it going to take to reach our state, is the only matter of concern for me. Otherwise, I have nothing adverse to state about the budget. It's a thumbs up, superb budget.
And regarding the agriculture sector,
well, agriculture sector, again, it's the same thing that we have always had abundant schemes and offerings. They need to translate. Today, we are talking about growing vegetables. We are also talking about health of the people. Personally, I have always advocated that if we cannot do something the right way, we shouldn't do it. And in what context I'm saying it, I'll clarify. That growing of vegetables in Goa, in polyhouses, the government of Goa has promoted over 100 polyhouses, more than 150 polyhouses. And there was a lot of emphasis on growing vegetables. I was also one of the farmers who did it. I'm happy to state that I was one of the farmers who exited it, because I realized that to grow vegetables successfully, economically, when I say successfully, the need for pesticide is utmost importance. So effectively what we would be doing is feeding pesticide-laden vegetable to our co-citizens in Goa. Now, whether it's the right thing or not, that I think each one needs to judge. But in my wisdom, I opted out of growing vegetables. It has to be holistic, then it becomes interesting. Today, I'm growing flowers, just as an example, because I know that use of pesticide is not going to harm anyone's health. So that is how I would look at it. Cooperatives from being formed. The fisheries department discourages aqua farming. So how then can we talk about the budget being beneficial to us? Good budget but not being beneficial to us is what is the reality here, and that needs to change. That can happen only if the political leadership takes steps to implement, and I really wish they do. There are lots to benefit out of it. Many people would be happy, and I really wish that happens that way.